Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off the phone and removing SIM and any memory cards. This prevents short circuits. Next, secure the device to an ESD-safe mat and fit an anti-static wrist strap. Use a low heat gun or hairdryer for 1 to 2 minutes to soften adhesive around the back panel. While warm, insert a plastic pick and pry gently to create a gap. Keep tension and move slowly to avoid cracking the glass. Once a gap exists, widen it around the edges before unscrewing internal fasteners. After opening, remove the shielding screws and swing aside any brackets covering the battery connector. Always disconnect the battery first to eliminate power to the logic board. This reduces risk of shorting components. If adhesive tethers the battery, apply a thin, flat spudger under the edge and pull slowly, using isopropyl and heat to loosen stubborn spots. Keep components organized in labeled trays so you remember screw lengths and bracket placement. Once the connector is free, you can safely proceed to lift the battery from the frame. To extract the battery, pull adhesive tabs evenly. If tabs break, apply a small amount of isopropyl or designated adhesive remover and gently pry with a plastic tool. Lift the battery straight, avoiding bending or puncturing it. Install the new OEM battery, align connector, and reconnect battery first. Then replace shields and screws in reverse order. Before sealing, power on the phone to verify functionality and charge recognition. If the phone fails to boot, reseat connectors, check screw torque, and ensure adhesive or shielding is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.